Hey lovely people, I hope all of you are doing very good and getting ready for the festive season coming ahead. So today I would like to talk to you about how AADME has helped me till now. No doubt about the fact that we're getting one of the best information about digital marketing, the tips and tricks, the latest tools, how we can establish ourselves as a successful marketing agency or a successful freelancer, AADME being Asia's biggest LMS. Still, I would like to highlight the fact that apart from all this, I am getting a holistic development in me under Alok sir's guidance in Academy. This holistic development will not only help me with my entrepreneurial journey in the long run, but it will help me with every aspect of my life and make me a better human being, both personally and professionally. So when I started my digital journey 1.5 years back, I always used to hear the big players talking about what their mentors say and how their mentors have impacted their lives. And at that time I used to think that mentor कैसे मिलता है and मेरे को mentor कैसे मिलेगा and